You won! Ready?
Skin Reader, the first anti-puff eye roller. A refreshing caffeine gel with a massaging roller that speeds up circulation.
Girls, come and get me.
Eyes. Anti-puff eye roller is number one. Show off your tickling moves with us. It's almost showhands, but
Get him. Did you get worn out? Yeah, that's a baby.
Did you ever think
Baby.
that's got such a hold on you?
Where's your baby?
Now, nothing's more important.
Where's your baby?
Let State Farm help you plan ahead and protect what matters most. Talk to an agent today. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Froggy!
Guys, we need to talk. I know we're back at school now, but you're going a little over
Ugh.
these phones. Yeah.
Mom, just because we're Facebook friends does not mean correct. I love you.
Baby yoga.
You know, other people can see that.
Rain?
Dad, cool it with the Twitter updates, okay?
Sitting with you,
I know you're...
Ah!
now at the back to school sale, get free deals on messaging phones for the
Oh.
like the MB Touch for $99.99. Verizon Wireless.
Ah! Rain, is this your baby? Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
She's eating its face.
She's kissing her.
New from Utoni.
You okay?
Simple
Baby,
artfully prepared. Utoni, the Italian art of food.
can you go show Daddy your baby? That's his headband. Can you go show Daddy your baby?
Michelle is showing a whole new confidence.
I'm starting to see right now what the final look is going to be like in terms of
Did she have a kiss?
the clothing.
You blow a kiss?
More feminine
Ma!
than what I'm used to, but I don't have any idea what Nick's going to do to my hair.
Now she's keen to let hairstylist Nick
Ma!
Joe loose on her flowing locks.
Hey, Michelle. Oh, what are your thoughts for today?
I just can't wait
Uh-oh.
to see what you do with my hair.
I want to get rid of a lot of this. A lot. I want to let
Thanks.
this natural curl come out. So I want to change it radically.
Go right ahead.
Okay.
There's
What I'm
people
going to do
on
now is
TV.
I'm going to reduce your hair a lot. But this is only going to be...
Really?
You got a lot more to come.
Yeah.
Then I get you back from the backwash, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
I love my
Bye.